In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a shared Google Drive file. It's a useful skill to have, especially if you're managing files that require updated permissions, or you're simply cleaning up the list of people who have access to certain documents. Let's dive in and take this one step at a time, making sure you understand each part thoroughly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by searching Google Drive in your search engine or typing the URL directly into the address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, it's time to log into your account. Clicking on Google Drive will prompt you to sign in. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the file you want to modify. After you're logged in, locate the file from which you'd like to remove someone. This should be in your Drive or a shared folder, depending on where you initially stored or had access to it. Once you've found the file, click on it to highlight it. This is an important step because it ensures the following actions you take are associated with the correct document. Next, look for the three dots or the More Actions menu associated with your selected file. Clicking here reveals a drop-down list. From this list, choose Share. This will open up the sharing settings for the document. Here, you'll see a list of people who currently have access. Find the specific person you want to remove. This involves scrolling or searching through the list if many people have access. Once you've located their name or email, click on it. Doing so reveals an option menu, one of which is Remove Access. Click on this to set the removal in motion. After confirming that you've selected the right person, it's crucial to finalize the changes. At the bottom of the sharing settings window, you should see a Save button. Clicking this will apply the changes, ensuring that the selected individual no longer has access to the file. And with that, you've successfully removed someone from a shared Google Drive file. Remember, managing file permissions is not just about limiting access, but maintaining control over your documents to ensure they are seen only by the intended audience. Repeat these steps whenever you need to update access permissions as people's roles and responsibilities change. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in our series to enhance your productivity and file management skills with Google Drive.